Yeah, how's it going everyone? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your YouTube channel with your Google AdSense to start earning your money. Without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Click at the button to start making a subscription. Then will appear these 3 steps to you. Click at the first one to accept the YouTube terms. Believe in me, the test is so long. If you want to read them, but it doesn't change none for real. Scroll until you find the little rectangle right here. Click on the rectangle, accept them, and let's move to the next step. And here's the next step, the most important. Link YouTube channel with Google AdSense. So pay attention because we're going to start. Clicking on this tab, they'll show you these 3 options. If you already have any AdSense account, if you have, click on the first one. In my case, I just clicked the third one because I just created any AdSense account in 2020 and then I deleted. So now I don't know if I still have any AdSense account or not. So I'll click on this option. So you'll be redirected to this page. They will ask you to choose the email that you want to use to create your AdSense account. Already on Google AdSense page, check it very well, read it carefully, and then scroll down. Scroll down until you find the little rectangle, and then click on it. And please make sure you solve the captcha, so Google will recognize that you is not a robot. And once you're all set, you'll be redirected to another page to confirm your personal information. So make sure you read carefully and you write it carefully. And please make sure you fill your personal information correctly, please. And then scroll down, click on the send button, the blue button. Solve the captcha and then click on the button to be redirected to your YouTube studio. And now your subscription is pending. So it will take days, weeks, even a month. So wait on YouTube to inform you that your subscription was approved or reproved. And now just wait on YouTube and keep checking your status on the monetization tab. Google AdSense will send you an email to inform you about your status. And the last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, comment if you like the content and what you want to the next content. Share this video with friends. See you in the next video.